Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Earlier today, I brought you a story say Ekuapem Polo Nigeria fo bi mu twa n'echi, Ghana fo bi mu nso twa n'echi. Na nini na ene say wo posti picture of ono ene ne ba. Na picture no obehu ne say Ekuapem Polo wako naked in front of ne ba no, ena ne ba no nso wo hye piotope. I couldn't show you the picture because it is against YouTube's policy. Na etie for the eba ene say asem ne ya asem bia bebia ekwa akoduru no yanhwe ne yi a de mate ene say yanhwe ne yi kra na Ekuapem Polo ye betumi age ne ba na free ne nsem. Why am I saying that? I have a letter right in front of me from Child Rights International. Wohwe eye organization ni din a Child Rights International trese enkola omofa ahodie eye international group a womohwe enkola fa ahodie ho na sa Child Rights International yi omo yenkrofobia they are very vocal womo densem aba betudwa ka se de Ekuapem Polo aye no police for awosem moye bibi efa ho ma me read intro and then I'll give you the latest updates on Ekuapem Polo adia wo posti ye no wohwa. The letter is dated 30th June 2020. Today is 30th June 2020. If you are watching any other day, it was done on 30th June 2020. Your directed letter no Emma, the Director General of CID for penny any other letter way Emma, the Ghana Police Service Accra was a dear say petition for investigation was a Child Rights International is a non-governmental organization with the aim of upholding the fundamental human rights of children, irrespective of their religion, status, geographical location, color, and ethnicity. Into the opening paragraph, no what Child Rights International and say, "Womu ye kuobia, emfa ho bebia wo free." Wo ya akola na ehu ne say akola no wo ye na yakayaka die ana wo ye na ade a ebeha no pe se ekuoyi ebeba na wo mo abeje akola no. Well, see, our attention has been drawn to a nude picture involving a certain Miss Rosemond Brown, popularly known as Ekuapem Polo, and a child circulating on social media. As a child rights organization that believes in upholding the rights of children, we deem this act as a violation of the welfare principle of the Children's Act, an abuse of the child's rights to privacy and dignity. We wish to notify your esteemed office to investigate the taking of the said images and its circulation. We count on your cooperation. Thank you. Yours faithfully, Bright Apia, the Executive Director of Child Rights International. Womo Ebo Welfare Principle Act na a international act. According to laws. Some laws be wo international and fa hu kura wo so sa laws no e wo se wudi so e ba nkola nso abibi sa wo ho international act se nkola na sebe e wo se ye ma wo mo dignity na dia Ekuapem Polo aye e be ha akola no. I told you when I reported on this particular matter say Ekuapem Polo ade awaye ebia wo no Ekuapem Polo ni hu ne say for her there is nothing wrong, but this thing can even have an effect on akolano. Say pictures no say ne a trend na akolani bie school ni students no ebe to me dey asre no and as wo benyi one day krana nkrofo be to me ayeden e dey asre no, so it can have an effect on akolano. Now clearly, as you can see, Child Rights International for this particular petition, and yenya reports from a lot of media outlets say Ekuapem Polo CID4 atonsa afreno. Na me pese me read some of a year reporter eba say Ekuapem Polo CID for ayeden afre no bo share top stories a year ghgossip.com womo say just in CID allegedly invites Ekuapem Polo over nude photo with son. Intino misusu say story ya omode ba say rumors has it that the Criminal Investigations Department of the Ghana Police Service has invited the internet sensation Rosemond Brown over a photo she posted of herself and son online. The actress earlier on posted a nude photo of herself with her son wearing just boxers to celebrate her son's birthday. The photo, which went viral, sparked some reactions on social media as many condemned the acts of the actress. Nonetheless, it has come to the notice of the child rights organization who allegedly reported to the CID. The way more and say after Child Rights International for the letter I just read to you, no, akwa yes CID for etonsa efre Ekuapem Polo. Now, say CID for etonsa efre Ekuapem Polo, no. Officially, the police have not come out to speak, but the AC and say Ekuapem Polo after that. Stories no echo viral says CID for atonsa friend na the end no ene Ekuapem Polo nankasa e delete sa post no e was social media. It is our picture na there Ekuapem Polo e delete ba mama what ya say we are in the internet age no there will be ye bia say wo kra wo post na wo delete ya. Some people will still take screenshots. Today the photo is forever on the internet. 20 years, 30 years time, if you Google this photo, you'll get it. Ebia na akola no so wenyi e wo family na eye gu wono so enimu ase. Ekuapem Polo herself spoke on this particular story. Now, as someone I think she spoke with Arnold Mensah Alavanyo of Xylophone FM. Now someone Arnold someone Ekuapem Polo and say well, no dear, personally, she didn't see anything wrong with it. Because no per se was sending a message across. It's rather unfortunate say Ghana for anti the na warrior ase. Now she didn't well, no dear when whom she didn't see anything wrong with it because or no still crown one in the banner in a dware boom. Into a yadia ne banner ehun ne ho de da enyende o kwe dware a wobo adeja ne ba ne so abo adeja no mu ne omo akwa akodware. So she's not seeing anything wrong with it say sisia no and I say but you see the whole thing is it is now in the public, so obviously people will share their thoughts on it. If there was nothing wrong with it, I'm not sure say nanka Child Rights International for ebehu say it is against one of the international rights of nkola. Mo akatre CID for say CID for emba mbefa yen so yet say CID for etonsa efa no. A lot of TV stations are even reporting say they are trying to make Ekuapem Polo lose custody of the child. You see, and this particular thing Ekuapem Polo is just lucky. Say ebia akola ne papa no one no they are not fighting over custody. Ekuapem Polo should thank her stars. If nanka saa de we Ekuapem Polo ene akola ne papa nanko wo mo ku over custody of the child nanka rightfully so a court I am not sure say nanka court ebe join twice nanka court ebe ma ya agi akola ne krefi Ekuapem Polo nsem nanka court one time one join twice obe ma ya agi akola ne fi Ekuapem Polo nsem on say na bibiate. And Ekuapem Polo can say no crown so sa wosano ne nana bema and asa no dware no enti she no. You see sometimes too it's senior midin kan it's the way we were also trained up. But some people are also putting on a very spirited defense for Ekuapem Polo. But I've told you what I think on this particular thing. Mimi who say idea AC share it happens e Ghana share saa de we won. You see, if we are speaking against it not with the fact that it doesn't happen no. E idea AC Ghana woko nkrofo bebre wo mu fia obehu ne say yes maamefo ne nkola bebre na wo mu dware bom sa adegya sa ade esi but say wo de beto abonten no eno any problem no ye wo bibia ho kwan na so enye ni na wo say yeye enye ni na fata say wo de beto abonten na mansan ye hu no eno ne problem no because you are saying say you are sending a message to your child me not sure say wo ba Instagram a wo be read the wo posti so wo ba Instagram be the wo posti am sure say wo no kra no be ka say no my mom is a very bad role model because sometimes wo ba wo be didi nkrofo atem e ro ho e sheki woto I'm not sure say wo ba no e hwe ni na e wo social media. So for you putting it out, you can't tell me say there's that message you are sending to your child. So what person sending that message to your child wo be ka kire no e wo no ani fie and now when no etifie wo be ka kire no as far as you've actually put the thing out, it begins say and it starts say it is not a message to your child again, it's a message to the world, and the world has reacted and there ama waso ya yeshe if indeed it is true says here before aton sa afre no but asemo da hono no montre mo adwen e wo comment box mo tie for me da ase.